Welcome to our channel. Today we how to backup using iDrive for macOS, detailed guide step by step clearly. To start backing up using iDrive for macOS, first, download the iDrive application from their official website. Once the download is complete, open the installer and follow the on-screen instructions to install the application. After installation, launch the iDrive app from your Applications folder. You will then be prompted to create an account or sign in if you already have an existing account. If you are creating a new account, fill in the required details, including your email address and a secure password. After logging in, you will be taken to the iDrive dashboard where you can see various backup options. To begin setting up your backup, click on the Backup tab located in the main menu. Next, select the folders and files you wish to backup by checking the boxes next to them. You can also use the Browse option to navigate to specific folders on your Mac. Once you have selected all the items you want to backup, click on the Backup Now button. iDrive will initiate the backup process, and you can monitor its progress in the dashboard. If you wish to schedule regular backups, click on the Schedule option in the backup settings. Choose a frequency for your backups, such as daily or weekly, and set a time that works best for you. You can also enable encryption for an added layer of security by toggling on the encryption. After configuring your settings, click on the Save button to finalize the schedule. Now, your backup process will run at the specified times, ensuring your data is regularly protected. To restore files from your iDrive backup, go back to the iDrive dashboard and click on the Restore tab. Browse through your backup to select the files you want to restore. Once selected, click on the Restore Now button to begin the restoration process. You will receive a notification once the restoration is complete, and your files will be available in their original locations. With these steps completed, you have successfully set up iDrive for backing up your macOS files. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. If your password is not accepted, use the Reset option and create a new strong password you can remember. Check your spam folder for verification or security emails, then complete any requested confirmation steps. Enable two-factor authentication if available to improve account security and reduce unauthorized access risk. After signing in, review your profile details so your contact information and settings are accurate and current. If you see an error message, note it down and try again after restarting your device and internet connection. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.